What's up everyone, this is JB here. We're at the San Ysidro Nike factory store. We're gonna go see what they have in stock. Let's go see. Alright, we're gonna go see what they have. Go in. We're gonna go see. We're gonna go to the back hatch wall right away. Alright, this is their pick of the week. 720 white platinum, 109 full-size run. Let me check the smaller size. Let's see. Like the LeBron Toy Story, 159 minus 30%. Nice. We have Nike socks R4, 59 minus 30. LeBron low, 120. It's all black. Just gonna run through the sizes with size 10. See anything that stands out. Here, size 10.5, 109 UF, ISPA, size 30. Proto Max. So expensive here, they're usually 79. Air Jordan 13 Retros. These are the Camino Anthony, they're D stock. We're getting to the bigger size, it's still 10s. The Hot Lava LeBrons. We have more of the Proto Max 720s. They're fairly expensive here. They're 149. They're typically 99. Let's see, I've seen the Saturns. They're 89. Hard pass on those. We're going to bread. Lows, 89 minus 30. So we're like 62 bucks. Those Saturns, 89 minus 30. Air Max Up Tempo 720, 129 minus 30. We have the Moon Racers here, 59 minus 30. We're at the size 11s. Let's see what they have. They have a lot of these Air Force One suedes. 60 bucks. Got the Monarch 4s. Size 12, 54, minus 30. So it's like 40 bucks for the dad shoes. I'm gonna go to the bigger size, my size. It's not much. These Air Jordan 9 Retros. Size 11, 139 minus 30. Not zeros. 2.0, 89. Oreos, 109 minus 30. Got some KD11, size 13, 69.99 minus 30. And this is pretty much it. It'll go up to size 15. Slim pickings here. Let me see this one. Wow, LeBron Witness, size 11, 49.99. We have the back. We have like the soccer cleats right here. So some of their Jordan selections, 312s, low tops. Air Jordan 13s. For the Max, let me check here. Check prices, 89, 79, have the Mars Jordans. These don't sell. Alright, you have some LeBron Witness. You just go through the aisle. Some have additional 30%. So you see additional 30%. Kyrie Mamba Rage. This can here. Couple more Mamba Rages. You have these mellows. It's fairly expensive for $159. You do have a full size run. See? You have the Westbrooks. You can sold at retail. You have the Jordan Apex React, the high. It's supposed to be a silhouette of the Jordan 1. You can sell at $120, down from $190. And then you have the Jordan Proto React, the black, going for $79. You got a full size run here. You have an SB section here. Some, 20 bucks off. This one is 30 bucks off. 25 bucks off. Alright guys, you have the Monarch Force. 45 minus 30. You have additional colorways. This one here. You have black, so you have 3 different colorways. Only the 2 have the 30%, and the black one, it looks like it's about 10 bucks off. Got Nike sock. You have Element 55, this colorway. You have this colorway here. Wow, the Blue Fury, like 70 bucks. You got the Blue Fury, the Chicago's for 89. We have the KG Fight Faucets, full size run, 159. About 25% off. The GP, the Zoom GPs in the Seattle colorway. Looks like it's going for retail. You have Air Force Ones. Looks like retail price. This other Air Force One, 89. Those Air Max 200s, 80 bucks. Down from 120. Got full size run. Air Max 90. SE, it's about 20 bucks off. We have this Air Max 97 SE Midnight Navy, 109, additional 30% off. We have the Clot Air Max 97 Clot Collab, the Volt colorway at $99, basically 50% off. And you have the Air Max 2017s. Air Max 2. You have these Air Max 200s. Look at this wall. There. The Air Edge 270, 30% off, so it's around 50 bucks. You have these Air Max 720. From 180 down to basically 80 bucks. You have the gold wheat, the deep royal. All black ones are still at 134. Yeah. Out of all these running shoes, some have 20% off. SPs have additional 30, 71, so it's 51 bucks. All these other running shoes. The Sumax Pegasus 30, minus 30%. So 70 bucks after this Air Jordan 1 Retro High. $99 minus 30. You have the Nike Drop Type LX, size 10. Got full size run here. Hi guys. This is one of the busiest Nikes because it's next to the border. It is busy here. We're just gonna look some apparel. They don't have really much. I know they have some tops that are on sale. Your, typical Air Jordan, basketball stuff. Here at the clearance rack. This Lakers polo. 37 minus 30. So we'll see. A couple more hoodies. So just like a heads up for anyone, if you go to the clearance store, this particular t-shirt was already $9.99, but here they're selling it for retail. So you just gotta watch out and know what you're trying to buy. 35 bucks. Got this for like $7. Here's the pick of the week for the women's. Nike Zoom Gravity, $44.99 minus 20. Full size run. I'm just gonna go down the aisle real quick, see anything that stands out. This Air Max 720, size 10. Full retail minus 30. Looks like the Air Max 98, size 10, 109 minus 30. Good. They have these foam sites, 230, full retail minus 30. Are those too steep to get? Air Max 95, classic, 99 minus 30. This is hot. 99 minus 30. That's good price. So here, this Blazer mid rubble gives you like that off-white buy. 44 minus 30. So like 30, 720. 134.90 minus 30. Check a little more. Got Roshi's. Air Max Quick Strikes in gold. Wow, $124.99. It's expensive. This OG Jordan Retro low. We have some Metcons in this floral design. Air Max 97. Like that floral design. Getting into the kids. Let's see if they have anything here. $112. 95s. Nike Presto Reacts. Classic Roshi's. We have these 312s. Low and kids. 50 bucks. They have a white version. They have this like high top. You have your classic Cortez, 30 bucks from 55. Your Forrest Gumps, 30 bucks, 50% off. Or we're just gonna go down the aisle really quick. Roshi's, these are the kids, downshift. These are for the bigger kids. LeBron Soldiers, Jordan 10s, Air Jordan 11 women's, neutral olive, 119. Got full size run here. You have these vandalized Air Jordan 1s, 30% off. So I'm here at the end of the line. This is how freaking busy it is. Alright guys, we just got a polo shirt by Lakers here at the Nike outlet. It was busy. Alright guys, until next time, if you guys like this, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Like, comment. Alright, until next time.